Every week, I dive into the latest AI tools hitting the market to uncover gems that can transform how we work and create. Today, I'll walk you through 7 standout tools I recently discovered, and I think you'll love them as much as I do. First up, Google's Illuminate. This innovative tool builds on the foundation of Notebook LM, another groundbreaking app from Google. If you're unfamiliar with Notebook LM, here's a quick rundown. It allows you to upload personal research and documents to create a custom AI chat experience tailored to your knowledge base. One standout feature, audio overviews, can transform your documents into podcast like summaries, perfect for digesting information on the go. Now, Google has taken this idea further with Illuminate, a tool that generates lively AI driven audio discussions using curated content. While it's still in the experimental stage, Illuminate already shows promise. For now, you can pull PDFs from pre selected databases, but hopefully, custom uploads are on the horizon. Next on the list is Napkin AI. This tool is a game changer for anyone needing quick, visually stunning diagrams or infographics. You can paste in text or use prompts to generate graphics in seconds. Whether it's for a presentation or brainstorming session, Napkin AI can take your ideas and turn them into polished visuals with minimal effort. Best of all, it offers a free plan, so you can explore its features risk free. Our third tool, Gamma, reimagines presentation design. Think of it as PowerPoint on steroids. Using a single text prompt or uploaded content, Gamma generates entire presentations, complete with layouts, text, and visuals. It's a fantastic time saver for professionals who need sleek, editable presentations fast. Plus, you can seamlessly integrate visuals created in Napkin AI for an extra creative boost. Fourth, Flow by Speechmatics brings conversational AI to the next level. Unlike many other models, Flow excels in recognizing different speakers, handling accents, and filtering background noise, all while maintaining accurate real time transcriptions. These capabilities make it invaluable for developers building voice driven apps or tools for diverse, noisy environments. The fifth tool is Haen AI, a platform for creating AI avatars. You can now design avatars using detailed text prompts, specifying everything from age and attire to setting and facial expressions. Hayen's avatars can also be animated to deliver scripts, making them perfect for educational videos, marketing, or even personal projects. It's a fun, powerful way to bring your ideas to life. Next, we have Pixel. This new multimodal AI model goes beyond text by understanding images too. Whether you're analyzing visuals, extracting data, or seeking creative inspiration, Pixel's capabilities offer an open source, free alternative to proprietary tools like ChatGPT. Finally, Otter.ai has introduced an exciting update, Otter AI Chat. Known for its ability to transcribe and summarize meetings, Otter now lets you interact with your transcripts in a chat format. Need to pull out key points from your last Zoom meeting? Simply ask Otter AI Chat, and it delivers actionable insights instantly. It's a productivity boost for teams and solo professionals alike. And that's the roundup. All the tools I've mentioned are linked below, so you can explore them for yourself. A big thank you to High Level for sponsoring today's video, which you can get a 30-day free trial from its bootcamp. Just go to this video description below, and I will post the link to this offer. Let me know which tool you're most excited about in the comments, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.